there we go. We got spinners, and we're gonna build this spinner so we can test those spins in just a second. And there we go. They're all built. Let's check out the minifigs. Put the wrong spinner. Let's get the weapon first. His weapon, and then we'll test their spin jitsu. Now, as you see, they're random spinners. I just found them. Some gave that to me, some gave that to me. The other one I found, but I lost it. I mean, I gave it away. Let's test it out. Contestant number 1. He came out. Let's try this. He's spinning. Oh, came out. Stop it. We test him out. Let's see that. I don't know what happened, but let's look at the minifig. Then we got Jay right there. There is, he gets weapons. We got a stone army person. Good look at his face. Now let's look at the weapon. Oh, okay. We got a weapon axe with the shuriken device on him. Got Jay's final battle sword. We got Kai's final battle sword, but I use it for the stone army person. And we got the sword of fire. Thanks for watching, and our next video will be these two spinner battles. Thank you. And you can just take one more look at them. Just one more.